Hook midnight to 0:15. 50% of businesses will use AI by 2026. That's huge. AI is taking over. Get ready now. Or get left behind. I'm excited to share top AI trends. You'll stay ahead of the curve. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Google just disrupted the open source AI narrative. Big news. AI is evolving fast. These tools matter now. They'll boost your productivity and growth. Let's dive in. We'll explore the best AI tools for your business. Get the inside scoop on the top 10 AI trends for 2026. I'll share expert insights and predictions. You'll learn how to leverage AI for success. In this video, we'll cover Notion, Jasper, ChatGPT, Zapier, and Canva. These tools will change your business forever. Let's start with Notion. Notion 1 to 230. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Its most impressive feature? Customizable templates. Imagine you need to create a website. Instead of 10 hours, Notion does it in 10 minutes. That's a game changer. Notion is free or $10 a month. Perfect for entrepreneurs who need to streamline workflows and boost productivity. Notion is a must-have for any business. It's that powerful. Let's move on to Jasper. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is AI-powered content generation. Its most impressive feature? Automated writing. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of 5 hours, Jasper does it in 30 minutes. That's insane. Jasper costs $29 a month. Worth it for marketers who need high-quality content fast. Jasper is a time saver and a lifesaver for content creators. It's amazing. Let's explore ChatGPT. Chat 4 to 5:30. ChatGPT is conversational AI. Its most impressive feature? Human-like conversations. Imagine you need to answer customer queries. Instead of 2 hours, ChatGPT does it in 2 minutes. That's incredible. ChatGPT has a free trial. Perfect for businesses who need to test AI chatbots. ChatGPT is the future of customer support. It's here now. Let's look at Zapier. Zapier 5:30 to 6:30. Zapier is automated workflow integration. Its most impressive feature? Seamless app connections. Imagine you need to connect 10 apps. Instead of 10 hours, Zapier does it in 10 minutes. That's a huge time saver. Zapier costs $19.99 a month. Worth it for businesses who need to automate workflows. Zapier is a productivity booster and a stress reducer. It's essential. Let's check out Canva. Canva 6:30 to 7:30. Canva is graphic design made easy. Its most impressive feature? Drag and drop templates. Imagine you need to create a logo. Instead of 5 hours, Canva does it in 30 minutes. That's amazing. Canva is free. Perfect for small businesses who need to create visuals fast.